More than 2 miles beneath the surface of the North Atlantic Ocean, in complete darkness and near-freezing temperatures, lies one of the most iconic shipwrecks in human history. The Titanic, once celebrated as the grandest ocean liner ever built, has rested on the ocean floor since the early hours of April 15, 1912. What began as a maiden voyage from Southampton to New York City ended in catastrophe, claiming the lives of more than 1,500 people. Today, the wreckage tells a haunting story that no history book can fully capture. For over 7 decades, the exact location of the Titanic remained one of the ocean's most guarded secrets. It was not until September 1, 1985, that oceanographer Robert Ballard and his team finally located the wreck using advanced underwater robotics. The discovery sent shockwaves around the world. Instead of finding the ship intact as many had imagined, they found it split into 2 massive sections lying roughly 2,000 feet apart from each other. The bow section plunged into the seabed at tremendous speed, burying itself nearly 60 feet into the soft sediment. The stern, having endured a more violent descent, was twisted and mangled almost beyond recognition. Between the 2 sections lies a massive debris field stretching nearly 1 mile, scattered with thousands of artifacts including china plates, wine bottles, shoes, luggage, and personal belongings frozen in time. Descending to the wreck site means entering a world where sunlight has never reached. The water temperature hovers just above freezing, and the pressure at that depth is approximately 376 times greater than at the surface. Despite these extreme conditions, the wreck is far from lifeless. Unique microorganisms called rusticles, which resemble orange and rust-colored icicles, cling to the metal surfaces and are slowly consuming the iron hull. Scientists estimate that these organisms are breaking down the ship at an accelerating rate. The grand staircase, once a symbol of luxury and elegance, has completely collapsed. The famous promenade deck, where passengers once strolled and admired the open sea, is now draped in layers of rust and marine growth. Yet remarkably, certain areas of the ship remain eerily preserved. Bathtubs, boilers, and even a crow's nest telegraph still sit in recognizable form, offering a ghostly glimpse into the past. Since Ballard's groundbreaking discovery, numerous expeditions have ventured down to study and document the wreck. James Cameron, the director behind the 1997 blockbuster film, made over 30 dives to the site, capturing footage that brought the wreck into living rooms across the globe. Various organizations have recovered thousands of artifacts from the debris field, sparking intense ethical debates about whether the site should be treated as a museum or a graveyard. In 2010, the United States and the United Kingdom signed an agreement granting the wreck protected status under international law, recognizing it as a memorial to those who lost their lives. More recently, in 2022, the first full-scale 3-dimensional scan of the entire wreck site was completed using deep-sea mapping technology, producing the most detailed digital model of the Titanic ever created. This virtual reconstruction has allowed researchers to study the ship in ways that were previously impossible. The Titanic is disappearing. Scientists and researchers who have studied the wreck over multiple decades have noted significant deterioration with each passing visit. The rusticles are consuming the iron at an ever-increasing pace, and sections of the hull that were once intact have since collapsed. Some experts believe that within the next 20 to 50 years, the recognizable structure of the ship may be completely gone, leaving behind only a rust stain on the ocean floor. This urgency has driven a new wave of scientific interest and documentation efforts, ensuring that every detail of the wreck is recorded before it vanishes forever. The Titanic is more than a shipwreck. It is a monument to human ambition, a reminder of nature's indifferent power, and a cemetery for over 1,500 souls. As it slowly dissolves into the darkness of the deep ocean, the story it carries with it grows only more powerful, echoing across generations, and reminding the world that some lessons are written not in books, but in the cold silence of the sea.